Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about circles. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. So you see, this is the circle. This is the fixed point which is called the center. This is known as the diameter which passes through the center. This is the radius which joins the center with any random point on the circle's circumference. This section is known as the sector, which lies between two radius. This is the chord which joins two random points on the circumference without passing through the center. And this region between the chord and the arc of the circumference of the circle is known as the segment. So these are some different parts of circles that we have studied about previously. So let us now examine the different situations that can arise when a circle and a line are given in a plane. Let us consider a circle and a line PQ. There can be three possibilities. So this is the circle and a line PQ. So the first possibility is the line PQ and the circle have no common point. In this case, PQ is called a non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. Again, you see, this is the same circle with a line PQ passing through points A and B. So the second possibility is there are two common points A and B that the line PQ and the circle have. In this case, we call the line PQ a secant of the circle. Third, this is the circle, line PQ passing through one point A. So the third possibility says there is only one point A which is common to the line PQ and the circle. In this case, the line is called a tangent to the circle. So let us take one example. This is a pulley. A pulley fitted over a well which is used in taking out water from the well. So that same pulley I have put up here. So here the rope on both sides of the pulley, you can see in the drawing, if considered as a ray, is like a tangent to the circle representing the pulley. Thank you.